Welcome to this demo video of POS multiple coupon discount. This module will allow point of sale cashier to input multiple coupon during payment. So by default, inputting multiple discount coupon within the same program is not permitted, and this module will help to extend the functionalities. First thing first, make sure to install this module first, which you can get in the Odoo App Store, and I will put the link in the description below. And now we need to go to point of sales configuration and settings, and you have to check this box coupons and promotion, as this is the very basic things to be working on with the coupon program. So after you check this, you can go to this coupon program right here and make your own programs, one or more. As you can see here, I created one program called discount 21k, which is a fixed amount of 20,000 rupiah here. So if this voucher right here inputted in the POS, it will deduct the price of the product. So after that, we can go back to the point of sale dashboard and select one of your cashier or more. Go to settings right here and scroll down until you find coupon and promotions. Check this box again and put that coupon programs right here. After that, you can save and you can start your cashier just like I did right here. And meanwhile we waiting the process, let's open up the coupon programs. And in this demonstration, I would like to input some of this coupon into the POS. Normally if you do this, the multiple code which is inside one of the program, Odoo will not allow you doing so, but within this module we will expand the functionalities and allows you to input this code right here. Okay, so we will waiting until it's done. So let's find another product, say right here, and we want to put this code to the box. Okay, this discount is applied and want to input this one too. Alright, so you see that we already inputted the two fixed discount right here. You can put as much as you want to put it inside here, but this functionality is not expanding the discount of the percentage program. So here you see that I choose the fixed amount. There's also a program name that support percentage of the price. So if you're using the percentage apply discount type, you can only put one percentage code discount only. You can put more, you cannot put more, but if the type of discount is fixed price, you can put as much as you like, just like what we did right here. So I will go with putting another, say this one. Okay, so we have 60,000 discount right here with all the discount right here. And if we go to payment and we need to pay this, right? Okay, so we're done. Now let's check the point of sales order right here. We have this one order, sales order, and you see that all of this voucher is inputted right here. You can see it is deducted the price of this product right here. So I think that's all for the demonstration, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope this module helpful for you, and have a good day.